Virgo. This is a Virgo Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message, okay? Announce ko lang ulit yung sale ng crystals natin until December 31st. Habol na sa sales, lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, cleansed, blessed, and ritualized by the Enlightened Guide. Okay, let's see. Anong balita para sa mga Virgo? Okay. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Anong chismis? Someone feels betrayed because may nai-involve na third-party connection. Okay? I feel this is like a past connection na hindi pa na-let go. Ngayon ay parang nagdadala ng conflict sa relationship na to. Okay. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay. May hang up. May hang up, tapos nagsisimula na ng bago. Bakit gano'n? Let's see. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay? And remind ko lang kayo, hindi ako magme-message sa inyo isa-isa. If you're ready for your reading, send me a direct message. And then sasagot ako. If may inquiries kayo, wag na kayo mag-wave, wag na kayo mag-hi, diretsuhin nyo na ako, no? Sabihin nyo na lahat yung concern para mas mabilis yung transaction natin. Okay. So, yung nag-iisang account ng Mystic Siren ay Kai Angeles. Okay? Ingat sa mga nagpapanggap. Okay. So, nagkaroon ng chismis, stalking sa energy ng sa love connection ng mga Virgo. You don't feel na yung connection na to ay stable in the first place. May mga na-reveal na lies, mga tinagong katotohanan. Someone feels broken-hearted in this connection. Sabi ng masculine, gusto niyang magkaroon ng pag-uusap. Kasi kung ano man yung nangyaring disappointment sa connection na to, sabi niya hindi naging favorable sa masculine yung outcome. Yes, sabihin natin na nagkaroon ng confusion yung masculine. It could be like may in-entertain na ibang energies outside this connection. But sabi ni masculine, mahalaga naman para sa kanya tong connection, tong present connection na to. But nagkaroon ng blockages na i-move forward tong relationship na to because of the masculine's confusion. Like sabi ni masculine, over na ba talaga siya dun sa past? Or baka would there be someone else in the future? So, because of that, confusion ng masculine, nagdala ng instability, no? At instability at not secured energy sa connection na to. There has been a passionate connection na nagdala nga ng conflict, problema, na nagdala ng pag-aaway or conflict sa inyong dalawa. Sabi ng feminine, all in naman siya sa connection na to. Nakita niya, no, ang sarili niya na long term with this person, but right now, parang nag-hold back na ng energy, ng pagmamahal at offer ng love at pagpapahalaga tong feminine na to, because sabi niya parang hindi naman requited or hindi naman equally invested yung masculine sa kanya. Nagdala ng overthinking ang recent past situation na to, but marami namang natutunan. Okay? Sabi nung feminine, parang, or both, no, parang mas makakabuti muna na i-chase yung dreams, yung like financial goals sa situation na to. May mga naging pangarap about long-term goals. May mga naging pangarap na sana, no, maging maayos tong relationship na to. Mauwi sa kasal, engagement, kung ano man. Kung kasal na, it's like, what's next? Like, pangarap, investments, kung ano man. But I feel because of mga naging trust issues, nagkaroon ng blockages sa situation na to. Okay? Okay? Remind ko lang ulit kayo, ang nag-iisang account ni Mystic Siren ay Kai Angeles. Okay? So, mag-ingat sa mga nagme-message sa inyo. Hindi ko kayo i-message. If you're ready for your reading, kindly just send me a direct message. Okay? Ingat. May mga nagme-message sa akin na, nangihingi ng pera. Yung iba sa inyo nakapag, deposit at nagugulat na lang na hindi pala yun yung totoong account. Okay? So, the reason for the reading is nagkaroon ng healing sa situation na to because someone feels defeated. But kahit nagkaroon ng mga disappointments, umasa pa rin na sana maayos pa at magkaroon ng harvest time or good outcome. Recent past, someone feels like parang long-term pa ba ang connection na to. Ingat, because may nakikita akong possible pregnancy here kung hindi handa Okay? Mag-ingat. Kung hindi handa for, pag ayaw ng pregnancy for now, until, planuhin, no? Because this is like a lifetime commitment. Kung meron mang hindi ready at nagkaroon ng pregnancy, then I feel it would be best na mag-focus ka muna sa sarili mo. Kaya din nagkakaroon ng pain sa situation na to because of some of you have unplanned pregnancy, tapos yung masculine hindi ready. Hindi siya ready even sa relationship, tapos eto na, may bata pang kasunod. Okay? Someone is thinking na ano ba talaga yung kaya niyang i-offer if nagkaroon nga ng unplanned pregnancy here. Prayers and manifestations, nahihirapan right now ang mga Virgo to get in touch with the intuition. Meron ka mga gustong i-build sa buhay mo, pangarap, even this love connection, na nagdadalawang isip ka kung tama ba talaga na dito ka mag-focus right now. But I feel for most of you, nagde-decide kayo na mag-stay sa cycle na to. Even merong feeling of betrayal. Okay? At meron din akong nakitang mga dapat ayusin in terms of like communication. Because wala ako nakikitang maayos na communication. Kaya paulit-ulit yung mga hindi magandang energies or like mga non-negotiable na hindi mo naman gusto tong energy na to, na hindi mo naman gusto yung ugali ng person na to, but hindi siya napag-uusapan, kaya nauulit. Okay? May energy here that someone is walking away from this connection, may paglayo, or emotionally trying to detach. The masculine is trying to detach for now. May pagka-stubborn yung energy ng masculine. Okay? Your energy, your person's energy, Virgo, wala siyang maisip na plano for now. Your person feels unrequited yung mga pagmamahal niya. May gustong makipag-usap dito at gawing stable yung relationship. But at some point, nag-hold back na kailangan ba talaga mag-usap? Or baka naman wala rin daw mangyari na magandang outcome sa pag-uusap na to. Okay? Someone feels so broken-hearted at parang hopeless na maayos pa tong connection na to. So may fear and doubt here, tama pa bang magstay? Tama pa bang bigyan ng another chance? Because hindi pa naman totally over tong relationship na to. May mga hang up pa rin kayong dalawa. But I feel the feminine is trying to not care anymore. Napapagod, nasasaktan yung feminine sa connection na to. So, until the end of the first quarter, magkakaroon ng letting go energy dito. Bahala na, Lord, sabi mo, Virgo, na nagpe-pray ka kay God na if this connection is meant for you, if meant ba to na maayos, then, then be it. But if not, sabi mo is, uunahin mo muna yung sarili mo. There's also an energy here of like, because someone is not caring na already the way, no? Kumbaga, iba na yung energy right now. Someone feels like triggered na bakit iba na, bakit hindi na siya nagki-care. Someone feels triggered also with the energy of lies in this connection. At sabi ng masculine, gusto naman niya mag-express pa rin ng love, okay? To balance the loving energy in this relationship, Madagascar Rose Quartz, the pink crystal, okay? To have a mental clarity and to connect with the intuition, kung ano man yung pinagpe-pray nyo kay God para mas ma-receive nyo na maayos yung message, the amethyst crystal. Okay? Abundance and happiness, we have the Brazilian citrine. Lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, authentic, cleansed and ritualized by the lights and God. Okay, so because of that, nagkakaroon yung energy, yung masculine na kailangan ng maayos na pag-uusap dito because of mga na-reveal. At marireveal na naman in the next 3 months na dishonesty. But nagdadalawang isip na yung feminine kung bibigyan pa niya ng energy tong connection na to or magfo-focus na lang siya sa sarili niya. Marami na rin trust issues at marami ding dapat i-heal sa situation na to na dapat munang unahin. But of course, before bigyan ng another chance tong connection na to, go back to yourself, go back to self-love and set your boundaries muna, strong boundaries, para alam mo if natatapakan ka na ba sa connection na to. Because yun yung nakikita kong naging issues, no? Hindi napag-usapan ng maayos yung mga negotiables and non-negotiables at may mga hurtful situations in the past na hindi naman na-discuss, kaya naging paulit-ulit lang yung toxic cycle for this connection. may magandang intention yung masculine na ma-express yung sarili niya, but ang question is gaano ba talaga siya ka-committed na ayusin ang relationship.